Hi guys. Hey, I wanted to do a video here of two new kits that I'm going to be doing as General Lee's. Got another of the regular Country Charger kit. This one actually has the Vector wheels. Last one of these I got didn't. Had some other wheels, torque thrust or something like that. But you guys have got to see this. Season 2, episode 8. Oh, well, I have help now. Photobomb. The Ghost of the General Lee includes glow-in-the-dark parts. Well, guys, I tell you what, this thing is cool. I had to open it up. I couldn't wait to see it glow. Now, when I first looked at it, I'm sitting there thinking, okay, it's white glow-in-the-dark kind of stuff. Alright. Well, I took it outside, charged it up a little bit, and took it in my bathroom, shut the door, shut the lights off, and it actually has a red glow to it, like the episode. Very cool. All the parts are in glow-in-the-dark, which the only thing I'm going to glow-in-the-dark is the body, like it is in the TV show. Going to do the interior and the chassis and everything like normal. It actually has the right decals, which I think these kind of do some kind of a glow somewhere along the line too, in the white or something. I guess there's something to it that does something. But anyway, yeah, it's got the right flag. Before everybody got butthurt about the flag. And yeah, it's really, really cool. I'm really digging this thing. So if you ever built one of these Charger kits, it's pretty interesting. So, it's got the right back window layout. So yeah, this is going to be really neat. At least it'll be easy to paint the body, because we won't have to paint it, just put decals on it. So it actually should be a fairly easy build. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. Round 2 Models is who makes it. Of course, MPC. But Model Roundup is the company that has them, that I've seen. Still has them. This is an older kit, but they're still selling new ones of it. And if you're a Dukes of Hazzard fan, and especially if you're a fan of building General Lee's, I know David Chin, he builds several of them. There's some other guys. I definitely recommend getting this one. It's just got glow-in-the-dark cool all over it. So that'll be cool. This one here, I'm either going to do green like that, like the green General Lee kit, or the one episode where the General Lee was all green. I'm either going to do it like that, or I'm going to do a kit of Lee 1, the very first General Lee, where the underside and the hood area and all that was actually gold, because they'd taken a gold General Lee and painted it orange and whatnot. But yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting one way or the other here when we get everything going with these two kits. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So anyway, I will keep you guys updated. But like I said, this thing definitely, it's cool. Definitely cool. And like I said, Model Roundup, last I saw, still has them. I'm glad I was able to finally acquire one of these. I've been looking for it for quite a while. So anyway, guys, hope you're all doing good out there. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys. Bye. Say bye. Hey, Winnie. Hey, say bye. Say bye.